Come on. Open the door.
Okay.
We'll be right back, Hagrid. Yeah, you do. Oh, is that an egg?
This was a more.
You gotta keep looking. Do you remember where you hit them all?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow, look at that. Yeah, you do suck. No, I know. Like that one.
I didn't want to make it fun to be running around like an Asian.
What's the matter? It's a worm on his egg? That's creepy.
This was empty.
I maybe you should open it and see. I don't think they're empty, bud. Was it empty?
Put it back in there for you.
Do you see any more?
Oh, yeah, it's over here.
So I just played some kind of together.
That's fine.
Oh,
We don't, Alex,
No,
we'll open them later.
Take your basket with you.
Maybe it's gonna get heavy for him. Oh.
hey. This was some more.
Oh. I'm looking at them. You see any?
Nope.
You look good.
Holy crap, I walked right by all that. Wow, the Easter Bunny was good to you this year.
Okay, see.
Honey, I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video.
Cat!
Oh my-
On my car!
On your car?
There's one on the house.
Think there's more? I don't know. Keep looking. We might have to go, maybe. Ooh, see the squirrel?
Huh?
Squirrel.
No, I didn't put any there. There's bees in there. I'm not gonna.
I said I didn't put any.
I'm not gonna notice.
You probably would. Wow.
You gotta look. You got.
He was like 10.
Yeah, there's some right there. Right there.
Well, he hasn't gone in the house yet.
I'm going around my chair.
Did you go around that side too?
Yeah, I put some on the side.
Yes.
You gotta look on the floor too. Cause I'm pretty sure I saw some in the floor when I was walking out here earlier cleaning up your toys.
Oh, look at nice.
What?
Oh, put this back.
It's okay, you can put it back together.
Did you double check all your toys?
I know that Easter Bunny likes to play with children's toys. Did he play with yours?
Check all your toys.
Oh, I got my cat.
Go in.
In there.
Then go in there, bud.
Oh, no.
Look real good.
Okay. There's a fun one.
Look real good.
Yep. Yeah.
Check all the windows and stuff.
Oh. Yep.
There's something in there. I'm pretty sure there is.
Yeah, okay.
Alex, we'll open it later. Hon, you have a lot to find.
Okay, this was more fun.
Are you sure you got them all in that room?
Check again. I think you missed one.
I think you're missing some. Good job. Let's check all your toys because I know the Easter Bunny loves to play with kids' toys when he's here.
Check that one and this one.
I don't know. Do you think there's some in there? Ooh!
I'm putting it in my face. Nope. Not my face. This is one of my pirates. Up.
Wow!
That's it.
Make sure you look all over your pirate ship.
I think I see one on your pirate boat.
Where?
Go look. It's not that big of a toy.
Oh, that's there.
There you go.
I never noticed.
You never noticed one? I'm sure there's more.